So if you come to Bath Spa as a theatre production student or an acting student, this is the kind of experience you can have. This is the main workshop where we're currently building the set for the Snow Queen, which I'm a third year, so this is my design. And also as a third year, I remember the space we did used to have, and this space is incredible. It's so much bigger. We've got this main workshop, we've got a props workshop and a paint shop, as well as loads of different rehearsal rooms, lecture rooms as well. So what's really good about working in this space is that in 2 minutes I can be in the rehearsal space and in 2 minutes I can be back here. It makes the process a lot more collaborative. This is the costume department. This is where obviously all the costumes are made for all the shows, where all the costume lectures take place. This is the kind of making room. Next door we have the costume store. Right now we're stood outside one of the many rehearsal rooms we have here at the workshop. A lot of courses can use these rooms: actors, comedy, movement, dance. One really cool thing is when you're walking through this building and you go past all the rehearsal rooms, you can hear everything going on, and it just makes it that much more exciting. Well, we really love it here. This space is amazing, the course is amazing, the uni is amazing, and I really think that you're going to love it here too.